How to add Wi-Fi or connect Wi-Fi in Sony Pxw X70 camera. You guys see your camera, right? So at first go to menu from this button here, right down here, right? Just press that, right? And you'll get this screen, and by default you'll be in the top here, and go to down. You can see your Wi-Fi section, right? And go to right, and then go to down. You can see your Wi-Fi set, right? Click that, and access point you are seeing here, right? So click that, and Wi-Fi standby, it's searching for available Wi-Fi. Now you are seeing here Wi-Fi, and select Wi-Fi and click it, right? And you can see here input password, and you can input the password. Just click it to change it to number, and just assign the password. And for symbol, again go and click here and add the bit, then again go up. I will get number here again, and go type the password G21. Then after typing the password, do OK, and you can see a next down there, and move from this button to down, right? Click next, IP address auto, priority connection auto, and do register. It's connecting. You are seeing here register SSID with fiber net. That's my password. Do OK, and then cancel, and then return. So in this way you can connect Wi-Fi in your Sony Pxw X70 this cam. Any confusion, comment below. Thank you very much for watching.